Good morning, boys and girls. This is English, Week 6, Day 1, Sunday, the 10th of May. Today, we are going to start a new unit in English. It's Unit 17 in your Nelson books. It is also the last unit in your Nelson book. Your to-do list for this session is to read every slide carefully. To read On Top of the World on pages 134 and 135 in your Nelson book. Write the new words in the vocabulary journal and find their definitions. Answer the comprehension questions, then enjoy watching the video. Your learning objective is to read and comprehend On Top of the World. These are the resources you're going to need in this session. Your laptop, pencil, rubber, Nelson book, literacy notebook, vocabulary journal, dictionary, and mobile phone camera. Here's an overview of today's comprehension. We are going to be reading a non-fiction text in the form of a newspaper report. It is about the first person from Sri Lanka to reach the summit of Mount Everest. She completed her climb on the 21st of May 2016. Alright, now let's warm up. Now, you can try to answer the following questions yourself if you already read a newspaper. If not, maybe you can ask one of your parents. Do you get a newspaper at home? Do you read the newspaper? What sections of the newspaper do you read? Do you think you should believe everything you read in the newspaper? Now, start reading pages 134 and 135 and investigate the features of newspaper reports. After you're done reading, tell me, did you notice the headline? Oh, yes, I did. The headline was First Sri Lankan Climber to Reach Everest Summit. Did you notice the byline, which is the reporter's name? Yes, right under the title it said by Rashmi Priyamtha. So this is the reporter's name. Facts about the event? Yes, there were many facts about the event. Background information? Yes, they also wrote about many things that happened before the event itself. Quotes, which is direct speech. Yes, I remember one where it said, before the climb, Jainathi said, "This will be our greatest challenge yet." At 8,848 meters above sea level, the legendary Mount Everest is one of the most testing physical challenges a human can attempt. How did I know that it's a direct speech? Well, it's written between inverted commas, speech marks. Were there also reported quotes, which is indirect speech? Yes, there was also another part where it said, as the pair prepared to leave Camp 4, a colleague in their support team said that it was a strenuous overnight trek from Camp 4 to the summit. Visual images? Yes. I myself could see 2 images. Do you see more? So, these are some of the features that we noticed or that you can see in the comprehension you just read, which is a newspaper extract. Now, if you have encountered any unfamiliar words, you may find them in the glossary box on page 134. Now, complete the word check on the same page to extend your vocabulary. You may take a break now. Watch this video about the history of newspaper and how they are made. Now it's time to answer the comprehension questions on page 136. By now, you should be done. Your success criteria is to be able to know the features of a newspaper report, to be able to understand and extract answers from a newspaper report. Your assignment was to solve all comprehension questions on pages 134 and 135. You should also write the word check and glossary words in your vocabulary journal and find their definitions. Your assignment is due tonight at 8 p.m. You can send it by email. Thank you. Have a good day.